Ilmu kritik teks buktikan 98% keaslian Alkitab, namun apakah ini membuat kitab suci hanya rekonstruksi?
Kritik tekstual berangkat dari fakta, tidak ada naskah asli. Dan fakta yang kedua, ada banyak sekali salinan, bukan hanya dalam bentuk manuskrip, tapi juga dalam bentuk kutipan-kutipan di dalam tulisan bapak-bapak gereja, dan juga di dalam leksionari, daftar bacaan kitab suci di kalangan gereja mula-mula, dan kita masih punya sampai dengan saat ini. Nah, itu semua dijadikan sumber acuan untuk orang melakukan upaya rekonstruksi kata-kata original di dalam autograf naskah aslinya dengan menggunakan metode analisis teks, terutama terkait dengan dua hal: menyelidiki bukti-bukti eksternal seperti manuskrip, kemudian kutipan-kutipan di dalam tulisan bapak-bapak gereja, dan leksionaris. Kemudian bukti internal berarti kalau ada masalah tekstual, apakah teks ini rekonstruksinya sesuai dengan keseluruhan konten intern dari kitab yang bersangkutan atau tidak. Sekitar 95% sampai dengan 98% apa yang saudara baca di dalam perjanjian baru sekarang, itu kita punya tingkat keyakinan yang tinggi, itu seperti yang ada di dalam autograf.
Is it possible to reconstruct the lost original manuscripts of New Testament?
94% of our surviving manuscripts come from the 9th century and later. We have the quotations of the church fathers that he talked about. We have church fathers from the 2nd century who quote the New Testament all over the map. And in virtually every instance that they quote every instance that you have an author quoting the New Testament, the author has a different text from the text that's come down to us in the manuscripts. Whether we can reconstruct the originals that have been lost. Can we reconstruct them or not? For many years, I thought that the answer was yes. But scholarship changed, and it became widely thought among scholars that we cannot reconstruct the original, and that it does not even make sense to talk about the originals. I started to understand why, and now I'm convinced. First, number of mistakes. We have 5,500 manuscripts of the New Testament. It is striking that when you compare these with one another in detail, no two of them are exactly alike. 4th century manuscripts differ significantly from the manuscripts of the 9th century. If they differ significantly from the 9th century manuscripts, why should we think that they are very similar to the manuscripts of the 1st century? We simply can't tell because we don't have any 1st century manuscripts to compare them to. William Peterson, who argues in essay after essay that it does not make sense for us any longer to talk about the original text. Eldon Epp, he also has written essays arguing that it no longer makes sense to talk about the original text. Anne-Marie Lyondike, she also does not think that it makes sense to talk about the original text. Kim Haynes-Eitzen, she also does not think that we can talk about getting back to the original text. David Parker, arguing that you cannot get back to the original text and it doesn't make sense to talk about the original text. These are not extreme views. These are the views of the leading scholars in the English-speaking world.